Did you do it? We're at the College of DuPage looking at the GOES 16 satellite. Thank you, College of DuPage. It is 10:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And what I want you to look at is the Popocatépetl volcano. This area right here. These areas right here. Watch that shadow, or these shadows. Definitely originating from those points. Look at that activity. Not every spark is a volcano, but I'm going to put it on day cloud phase over here. And watch this. That's the Popocatépetl. It's another one related to it. Did a video the other night before wondering if Mexico City's doomed. But now, look at this. They say there's no volcanoes up there, or the amount of information is very slim on the internet about this. There's fluorite mines all up in here. Fluorite comes from hydrothermal activity and igneous intrusions. There's Google Earth, and you can see we've got something coming out of there whenever that picture was taken. But fluorite mines. But here's the deal. What I think. And if you look at this, there's an island down here, and there's a streamer of smoke billowing from its chimney. It's a volcano too, I believe. All these are kind of coming alive at the same time. I don't know what these are, but this might be a volcanic field here. I think Brownsville, Texas is in here. It's probably why they were lying to us. Who wants to buy a house in Brownsville if they knew they were under a volcano, the shadow of a volcano? I'm just guessing. I'm thinking those two are volcanoes, probably. But if you look at them, really, you really can't see them. Anyway, I think there's a volcanic activity starting up in here. Did you do it? I'm not saying anything about all this, but there's a couple sparks inside there that I'm thinking they may be used to be dormant and becoming active, or because we know that's Popocatépetl. Okay, folks, who knows what's in this region? Fluorite mines in Brownsville, Texas. Thank you, College of DuPage. Thank you, GOES Satellite. Thank you, Google Earth. Did you do it? Subscribe.